Hello viewers and welcome to the introductory session of Architectural Plan. If you are a beginner level student, then I would strongly recommend you to take my beginner's guide to Autodesk AutoCAD course. At the end of that course, I have shared a DIY project in which I have shared all the guidelines for the students, how they can draw an architectural plan. Well, I got great response from the students and one of them has shared his working in the form of some videos. So, in this course, we will go through his works, all the videos, one by one, and I will show you the lackings of his work and what a common beginner students would definitely do. And then I will share some tips and tricks to make such type of working more professional and very effective. I hope that together we can learn a lot with this course, and I wish best of luck for all the students who will be taking this course and learn together with me. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.